Today I am going to teach how to install the VS Code Editor latest version in your machine. So you have to go to the Google and type VS Code download. Click on the first link. You have to select the appropriate operating system. You are going to download for Windows or Linux or Mac. I'm going to download for Windows, so you have to select the Windows option. So your download has been started. You have to wait until the download has been completed. VS Code setup. After download the VS Code editor setup, you have to icon look like this. You have to double click in, open the setup, uh, accept the user agreement license. You have to install next, create the desktop icon, click next, install. You have to wait until the installation has been completed. VS Code editor installation has completed successfully. You will be able to see this VS Code editor. Simple. It's very simple. So here you will be able to see it give lot of. Here you will be able to use the Copilot AI for free. You have to click sign up for free. Everything is there. Okay, so you'll be able to do it. Okay, so here if you are a programmer, this one should be coming along with the VS Code editor. Copilot AI. This is the very good AI tool for writing the programmers. Thank you for watching.